Jeep now has 82 dealers in 70 cities. Bengaluru itself has 4 FCA showrooms. Carmaker has also added more Mopar workshops. FCA, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, India recently expanded its sales network to 82 dealerships across 70 cities in our country. These comprise of Jeep Connect showrooms and FCA all-brand outlets as well. The Carmaker inaugurated showrooms in Bengaluru, Ajmer, Rajasthan, Panjim, Goa, and Patiala, Punjab, recently. The FCA all-brand showrooms sell vehicles from all brands like Jeep, Fiat and even Abarth vehicles in major Indian cities. Meanwhile, Jeep Connect showrooms are premium retail outlets aimed to cater to the customer base in satellite cities and towns. Moreover, the company has also added more Mopar workshops, now totaling to 84 service stations in the country. FCA has been focusing to grow their retail and after-sales network, which is strategically important to complement growing volumes in the Indian market. Their consistency in the network expansion has been maintained since the Jeep Compass was launched in August 2017. It will help them for the sale of future models including the much-awaited Compass Trailhawk as well.